Are you anxious about the TOEFL Writing Task too? You're not alone. Many students struggle with efficiently organizing their thoughts on this important task. Today, we're revealing a simple template to help you tackle this challenge with confidence. The TOEFL Writing Task 2 asks for your opinion on a specific topic. You'll write an essay expressing your views. Your essay should have a clear structure, and this template will help you achieve that. Let's break it down into parts. First, start with an introduction. Clearly restate the prompt in your own words. Then, state your opinion directly. This sets the stage for your argument. Next, write 2 or 3 body paragraphs. Each should cover a distinct reason for your stance. Start each paragraph with a clear topic sentence. Follow this with explanations and examples. Make sure each reason supports your overall opinion. Now, let's talk about the conclusion. Restate your main argument. Keep it concise. Remind the reader why your viewpoint is valid. For example, if the question is about the importance of education, you could argue that education opens doors to opportunities. Each body paragraph could describe various opportunities education provides. To summarize, your essay should flow like a well-structured story. Start with a strong introduction. Follow up with organized body paragraphs. Finish with a solid conclusion. This template offers clarity and focus. Now you have a clear strategy for writing task 2. Don't forget to practice with this template. With sufficient practice, you'll become more confident. Ready to master your TOEFL writing skills? Click the link in the description for our Transform Academy course. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Let's conquer TOEFL together.